Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. So today I have a guest who will be joining me in my chat room, aka video. So welcome.
Hi.
Alright, so guys, in today's video will be very chill, just a talk through, just a chill video. We'll be discussing our horror stories or encounters with different type of clients, XYZ. So stay tuned for all of that if you want to hear. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that
Subscribe button and the post notifications so you never miss an update. And don't forget to like.
Thank you. So yes guys, you know our natural prep work, the process of doing prep work. We push back the cuticles, we do cuticle work if there's cuticle work needed to be done.
Yes.
And we buff the nails. We
make sure the nail is nice and rough so when you go to glue the tips onto the nails it stays.
Yes, because we do have instances where it's not properly buffed and the nail comes flying. So remember to, and also do your blending work when you glue that tip to the nail, so it's seamless on the nail. It seems very natural.
And also the buffing of the nail onto the tip onto the natural nail will help you. will help make sure that acrylic stays on the nail, because if you don't do it, it's like a peel off like rubber.
Yes, and actually she has a story where, you know, she was working in a salon, or it wasn't a salon, it's more of a freelance job where they would call her and they would ask her to do
they would assign me where to go, and I went to a salon and I was doing the ladies' nails, everything, glue the tips, and I forgot to buff, so I put the acrylic on.
At one point, did you say like forgot the primer?
Forgot the primer? No, I didn't forget the primer. I forgot to buff it.
Okay.
So when I put the acrylic on, shape it up nice and thing, and once I got to buff, all of it just came up, and it was very embarrassing. Never again.
Yeah, she was pretty devastated. And to add the icing onto the top of the cake is that she was fresh. She was just out. She was new to the nail world.
The game, yeah.
Yeah, so you know how clients can be very like mean sometimes when you know you don't know how it works. Meaning how it works is not, you know how it works, but you're not in a field. This is your first time being out there.
Lack of experience. Yes. Because she did well. I mean, she was pretty cool about it. She said that she wanted me to do her nails again the next time, but there was a next time because the people never called me back.
Yes, that's what I can appreciate about most clients. Like, they understand, and that's what we struggle with sometimes, is that persons with many years of experience, and that don't seem to make sense. How do you get to the stage with experience
if nobody wants to hire you with no experience?
Exactly, it doesn't make sense. So to me, I usually, you know, based off my videos, you can see I usually practice on myself, practice on my practice nail board that I, you know, DIY that I made, very inexpensive things that you can find around your house. But yeah, so that was her experience. I don't know, do you have any more to share with us? Any more experiences?
So one time, wait.
No, but yes. All right. I used to be the guinea pig for my guest here when she was doing nails. So we were bench and batty. So there was this time. It's not related to what's going on in this video, but this is where they're having class, and you know, she was doing my nails, and there was a little dispute on the other end of the room.
On the other end of the room between, because one of the girls would have her mother come in as her guinea pig, and I send Bare Beauty to the sink to go wash her hand. And the mother and the daughter got into a tussle, and Bare Beauty stand up looking with her mouth wide open at the people there. I had to be like, hello, it's time to go, because you know when these things happen, these things always happen.
Yes.
You can't stand up and stare at them.
Yes. And knowing me, you know, it doesn't mellow a situation. It gets it more, you know. I'm the type of person. It might seem very off topic, but you know, it is what it is. Yes. I started staring at them, and I don't know. I just know I don't know what was going through my mind at the time, but I was stuck like, what?
Because it's to see two people on your salon a fight.
It is, you know.
You just kind of stop and look like, what's going on over there?
Yeah, and I think I have a few stories down my sleeve myself.
Tell us.
Like, I was working with this spa salon area, and I had this client coming in. No. Before, I have a few of them, but I want to tell you one. I was really embarrassed. I was just a trainee at school, and you want to be out there. You want to be doing everybody nails since you just learned how to do nails.
Yeah.
So I was working in a salon spa setting, and this lady came in for a soak off. I soaked off the nails. Everything was Gucci, and then she asked,
"Can you acrylic back my nails? But this time I want it in French tips."
I was like, yes, why not? I can do it. I was very confident. I was very, very confident when I was a trainee, and I'm still confident.
It's good to be confident, because even though you might not know something, it's good to be willing to try. I mean, if you don't try, you'll never get it.
Exactly. That's always my motto. Yeah. But like, I did the acrylic work. That's when the reverse method of French tip came. So I did the reverse method of it, where I laid the pink, the natural color first, and then I laid the white, my French tip. So I did that and started shaping the pink acrylic. And then she saw the work. I thought it wasn't bad, but knowing you as a fresh type of person going into the business, you will never think that anything you do is bad.
Right.
But it's a client is always right, no matter what. So I did it, and I was like, some of the nails were longer than the others, but it wasn't obvious.
Really bad, yeah.
It wasn't obvious, and she's like, no, this is not what I want, blah 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 blah. And to tell the truth, it was at night time too. It was like 7-8 o'clock at night that I was doing this lady, and the salon closed at 6. So I was working extra hard.
Extra time, yeah.
And then, me as a new client, are you good? Are you okay? Are you this? Are you that? Do you like your nails? And when I asked her if she liked her nails, she was like, no, this one don't look good. My heart gave.
Yeah, because you put your work and your time into it, and you really want it to come out very nicely,
Yeah.
and then it just doesn't.
Yes.
For whatever reason.
Yes, it does. At the time, knowing that I was a rookie, I thought that anything that I did was good.
Yeah.
But looking back at it, and I was like, was that good? I had instances where my co-host here, where I was practicing on her nails, and I could see where she was getting flustered with me, because when you're just in the game, you're a rookie, you'll be flooding them cuticles, and you can't get the cuticle, you can't get acrylic. It's not so easy getting that acrylic out of that cuticle, busting up them cuticles. I was doing it, and she was willing, she was game.
For me, my struggle was always with polishing. Polishing for me was hard. I don't know how. Like one time, they were doing a bridal party, and the lady them come in, and I don't know, polishing was just really, and it depends on the nail polish too. The shiny one, them hard, the light ones.
Especially like white. White can be very difficult.
Right, or those fluorescent colors. And you get, sometimes you leave some. What I've noticed is that people do my nails and then not do it perfect.
Right.
I don't think there's anybody that honestly does it perfect, because you look on Instagram and those perfect pictures are edited. Mm-hmm. So I feel like there's no perfect nail.
Yeah. I must say that in Jamaica we do have some pretty good nail technicians.
Yes, we do.
We have some pretty good nail technicians here. Alright, wrapping up. I have one more story. I do have many stories of, client
horror stories.
yeah, just being really drama queen.
Yeah.
I just can't bother with it. So there was one, I was working at the salon spa, new, but I wasn't a rookie. I was, good. So I did this lady, and she said she wanted natural. She don't want no high nails. She don't want this. She don't want that. You know, I followed through. I gave her what she wanted. Did you know what this lady did? She took the buffer from me, the emery board from me, and started buffing her nails. And I was like, are you crazy? Can you go anywhere else?
That. Because if you come here for me to do your hands, what makes you think it's okay for you to take it and start doing it yourself? Why did you come here then?
Yes, that's my point. And I polished. And did you know that I did it, and one of my colleagues did the polishing, and it was a matte. You know, sometimes matte can be, it's a little bit too much sometimes, and because you know a hot climate in Jamaica. It doesn't work out, you know.
Yeah, you end up sweating.
Yeah. So what happened is that my client did polish, sent her. We were finished with her. I did her daughter. It was Gucci. Next day, I saw the lady turn up back at the door.
Why?
This lady, because she called me outside, and being the professional that I am, I went out. Look, I'm like, your nails are fine.
Right.
No, as I always said, clients are always right.
Yeah.
So anything that she says that is wrong with the nails, I'm going, okay, all right. You know, I touch up here, I touch up there. It's like, all right, come in, let me do it. I took off the polish, buffed the nails, did whatever do. She pointed out this, that. So you know you're going to get a little bit, you know,
flustered. Yeah, because it's just like you're looking for the perfect nail that you see on Instagram. It doesn't exist. It just simply doesn't exist. And as a professional, you're supposed to take pride in your work. But if it's above you, I mean, I don't know what else they would want.
Right. And she got me annoyed to where I had to just go do another service and just allow her to buff her nails until she was pleased with herself. Because I didn't know what else to do.
Right.
Joining me.
It was a pleasure to be here.
And one more time, don't forget to
like and subscribe and hit the bell for post notifications so you don't miss an update.
Thank you guys for watching.
Ciao. Mwah.